Howdy crew, and in this vlog I'm going to be briefly going over why I picked up these gloves for the welding rig from Tractor Supply. Let's get to it. I picked up these gloves for the welding rig instead of the other normal, more common type of metal fabrication gloves. These are just regular ranch hand gloves. I'm used to these. I'm used to wearing these. It prevents my hands from getting rope burn when I was working with younger horses and Mustangs. Now, these work really great when you're on small tubing such as this, but also if you're going to go grab something larger, such as this piece of wood, tons of splinters, you can grab it. It's just fine. Splinters don't go through. Again, you can grab the metal. You can have pretty good dexterity with it, whereas I believe the other normal kind of Harbor Freight, Lowe's, Home Depot metalworking gloves, they're really wide on the tips of the fingers and in the middle of the fingers to where their seams are for their leather or their cloth, and it just seems a little bit harder to move around, whereas this, it conforms a little bit better to the hand, but also works really great. I really enjoy the leather piece in the palm that goes across, so that way pulling leads through if there's some shards of sheet metal or some wire stuck in it for some reason. It doesn't cut through your hand. I've had that before where I wasn't wearing gloves and sheet metal stuck to it, cut right through it. But these gloves are great. I really enjoy them, and that's why I got them.